To critically assess the claim that the Mahabodhi temple's land was owned by Tekari state and donated to a temple trust, it's essential to examine the historical timeline of the temple's construction and compare it with the documented activities of the Tekari Raj. This analysis helps clarify the true origins and subsequent developments of the Mahabodhi temple. Original construction of the Mahabodhi temple. The Mahabodhi temple, located in Bodh Gaya, Bihar, is one of the most revered Buddhist pilgrimage sites, marking the spot where Siddhartha Gautama attained enlightenment. The earliest known structure at the site was built by Emperor Ashoka around 250 BCE. This initial construction was modest, and it was later replaced by a more sophisticated and grand architectural structure during the Gupta period, approximately between the 4th and 6th centuries CE. Over the centuries, the temple saw several renovations and restorations. Notably, the Pala dynasty contributed to its upkeep and embellishment between the 8th and 12th centuries, followed by restoration efforts from Burmese kings in the 19th century. Tekari Raj and its activities. The Tekari Raj was a princely estate established in southern Bihar by the Bhumihar Brahman clan in the early 18th century. Known for its contributions to social infrastructure, the estate played a role in establishing schools, libraries, and public works during the Mughal and British colonial periods. In the religious sphere, the Tekari Raj family made donations for the construction of Hindu temples and religious facilities. For instance, Ram Kishan Singh, a prominent figure of Tekari Raj, is documented to have financed the construction of a temple at Dharmasala in Gaya in 1869. Comparative chronology and analysis. The Mahabodhi temple's origins can be traced back to Emperor Ashoka's initiative in 250 BCE, making it a site of immense antiquity and sacredness for the global Buddhist community. The temple's iconic architectural identity, still visible today, was firmly established during the Gupta era, over a millennium before the rise of the Tekari Raj. In comparison, Tekari Raj emerged only in the 18th century CE, more than 1,000 years after the Gupta construction and nearly 2,000 years after Ashoka's original structure. Their documented religious contributions, including temple construction, occurred in the 19th century, which further emphasizes the chronological gap. These were acts of regional Hindu patronage and bore no connection to the foundational ownership or spiritual administration of the Mahabodhi Mahavihara. As the historical timeline shows, the construction and sanctity of the Mahabodhi temple significantly predate the formation and activities of the Tekari Raj. The assertion that Tekari state owned the land and donated it to a temple trust is not supported by credible historical evidence. Tekari Raj's known contributions in the 19th century were regional and unrelated to the temple's origin, ownership, or global Buddhist relevance.